how you can add your own custom CSS styling to a form. This is perfect if you need a little bit more flexibility and you are a coder or want to overrule one of the default styles. So from the styles menu on the right hand side, we just need to scroll down to the bottom and check out the advanced tab. From here we will see the custom CSS block. If we click into it, we can add our own custom CSS rules. So for example, let's say we want to change the colour of this subscribe button here. We could right click on it and click on Inspect to open the Developer Tools menu inside your web browser. So we can see here that this button element is residing over here. Now let's find it, and we can see it's got this class here. So let's copy it to clipboard. If we open the custom CSS menu, we can paste in the name of the class and write our own custom CSS rule. So perhaps we want to change the background colour. And let's put an important tag on it to make sure it's not overruled by a different style. Okay, when you're done, click on Apply. Perfect, we can see that's now changed the colour of our button to the hex code that we entered. You can view your existing rules at any point by just clicking on the custom CSS button. If you wanted to get rid of a rule, just highlight it and delete and click on Apply. And now we can see the rule has been removed and we're back to where we were.